Hey you guys, I hope you're all doing amazing. So I apologize for the delay in the video. I forgot about uploading videos and the whole thing because I was busy trying to sand my hood slash bonnet on my car and I forgot about it completely. You've got like a minimum of a month deadline on videos. Forgot. Anyway, like and subscribe, it helps out a lot and um I forgot, to be honest. My brain isn't with me. Oh yeah. Okay, so in this video it's like two pieces. I'm just gonna edit it quickly. I'm gonna probably post next week another video to update on the hood situation. So the first few seconds slash minute whatever, it is about my air filter that I've installed, and then after that it is about the hood that I started sanding, obviously to get the orange peel off of it, and I tried to polish it but I don't have the right polish. You need like a polish with a grain in it or something to like cut. I don't know what they're talking about. And I use like normal car polish that you polish with a hand and the liquid doesn't buff the car or shine the car as much. So I'm going to have to take it to my father because he at least knows how to do that. I'm useless. I tried, that's all. And yeah, enjoy the video. Okay, so before I forget, if you want to check out my gaming channel, I've got another YouTube channel of my Twitch live streams that I do at night. I post there each week. Each week, I mean, each day or each second day. It's Stone Middle 552 if you want to check it out. And yeah, enjoy the video. Okay, you guys, so I'm trying to put the air filter on it, which is over here. Anyway, the air filter on the car and the airflow meter is literally on the point of the or at the end of the pipe. So I have to cut the pipe. So I'm going to just quickly. Oh my bad. Let me just put the flash on. I don't know if you can see it over there. So I can't slide the filter over because the sensor's at the point of it. So I'm going to slice the filter a gap so that I can still slide it over here, but like this piece out, it's like 4 centimeters I think. And then I'm just gonna like cut it on it like that. Oh lord, focus, right? Yeah. Okay, so I cut this out over here. So basically it's just gonna slide over. Let me just do it quickly. So basically it's going to sit like that. I need to just cut that a little bit deeper so the filter can go on a little bit more. But yeah, we'll sit there. You guys, so I started sanding the hood down for the unnecessary orange peel. I just want it a bit smoother because it's like really rough, as you can see there. It's obviously wet, but I just want it a bit smoother. So I started sanding it down, but I don't want it too smooth, so I'm gonna polish this side up and see if it looks fine. And if it doesn't, I'll just make it a bit more smooth and then I'll go onto the side. Okay, so we already done 1,200, so I'm gonna go to 2,500 and then 3,000 for the hood. It's almost done, as you can see. Okay, so I sanded it with the 3,000 and it is like really smooth. So I'm gonna try and polish it. I don't know if it's going to work, but let's see. I don't know if you can see, but it's already starting to shine, so I'll probably have to do this for quite a while so I can get it from that to obviously shining like the fenders again. And before I forget, if you want to check out my gaming channel, I've got a gaming channel as well. It is Stone Metal 552. I post videos there each day or each evening whenever I feel like it. It's basically me streaming, live streaming at night. Let's try that again.